this time on another MP, and lawyers for Madina MP Francis Xavier Susi says he's not running away from court proceedings. This follows another letter written on behalf of the Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin, once again indicating that the MP is on parliamentary business abroad. This was disclosed by Magistrate Oheneba Kufo. So Mr. Kufo, however, described a portion of the letter from the Speaker as rather confusing. This part of the letter that states that the Parliament has resumed, while another part indicates that the MP is out of the country. So the legislator is accused of unlawfully blocking public road and causing destruction to public property. Court correspondent Joseph Akable has the rest of the story.
Police prosecutor ASP Sylvester Asari informed the court that they were yet to hear from the MP or the Speaker of Parliament regarding Tuesday's proceedings. The magistrate did indicate that he had received a letter from the clerk on behalf of the Speaker communicating two issues. First, that Parliament was in session and that the MP was also out of the country on parliamentary duties. The magistrate said that this was a bit confusing as he doesn't understand whether he was attending to those parliamentary duties outside the country by way of Parliament's proceedings. But lawyer for the MP, Mr. Kojoga Daudu, explained that it simply means that the MP was attending to parliamentary business outside the country. And so informed the court that on 29th, which is the next agenda date, the MP should be present. Mr. Daudu has been explaining to pressmen what he believes is his understanding of that particular letter from the Speaker.
My understanding is that Parliament has started proceedings. And whilst proceeding is going on, he is representing Parliament at a conference in the United States of America. So for me, I see it that it's just a continuation to say that Parliament is in session, and whilst it's in session, he has gone on parliamentary duties by attending a conference. Why not? He will come back to Ghana. I've always insisted that Susu is not a coward. He doesn't even see that the parliamentary immunity is something that will not make him defend his right. If he has right, he will defend. And I'm sure that's why he's instructed me as a lawyer to come into the matter so that we will defend his right. Because we don't see this as any matter that he will run away from. But Parliament has been consistent saying that we have started the session and he's on parliamentary duties. That is what I gather from that letter. There's no inconsistency in that matter.
So hearing of the case continues on November 29. Reporting for Journeys from the Kaneshie District Court, my name is Joseph Akable.